If you as a woman have to run behind a man for some love and affection and attention, if you be running behind a man for those things, ladies, we don't want you. I just want to be completely honest about it. Ladies, I am literally giving you information that I'm not supposed to be giving you. If you are literally begging a man for love, affection, attention, quality time, money, go on vacation, pitney, spending your life together. Ladies, if you as a woman asking a man for these things, we don't want you, period. It's hard to hear. It's the sad truth and also the harsh reality. Ladies, don't beg a man for these things because literally he is laughing behind your back. If a man does not initiate these things, you will not be giving it. If a man does not initiate these things, he doesn't want it. As a man is supposed to know what he wants. So the moment he mentions it to you, he already knows you're the one. But ladies, stop settling for bare minimum. Stop running behind a man, a grown-ass man, like a little kid, asking him to call you more, asking him to text you more, asking him to have more respect for you, asking him to prioritize you, asking him to post you on social media. The moment you're asking for these things, you are not the one. When a man loves a woman the right way, he's willing to go above and beyond. He's willing to put it all on the line without hesitation. No questions asked because he knows you're worth it and he knows you're the one. It doesn't take a man long, by the way, to know that he wants you. The moment a man meets you, before he even goes into your panties, that man knows that he wants you. The way you look, the way you talk, the way you smell, the way everything about you, your persona, that man knows right away that you are the one. Listen, it takes a man 30 seconds, to know if he wants you. Once he meets you, and once he's spoken to you for a little bit, he knows right away that he wants you, All he wants after that is just the confirmation from you. But in his mind, he's already accepted. He's already know that he's willing to do anything to get this girl. He's already known that he's willing to do anything to make this girl his wife. It might take you as a woman longer, but it takes a man, boom, just a quick snap of a finger to know that you are the one he wants to marry. You are the one he wants to get impregnated. So ladies, stop with the does he want me or not. Start accepting it. Not just because you feel like your body fat. Not just because you feel like you look good when you have on little makeup. Not just because you feel so your titty them nice. Ladies, that doesn't cut it. You can't have the biggest body pan Father God planet, the prettiest face and the cutest smile. It doesn't matter if that man doesn't want you. You need to start accepting it as a woman. You need to start taking your L's. Don't feel like you are better than not being wanted. Don't get me wrong, there is somebody out there for you, just not that man that you're trying to force to be with. And this is Raw Talk with T-Dog. Comment and let me know what you think. If what I said was wrong or is it right. I'll talk to you soon. Raw Talk with T-Dog.